got to let it hit my stop. If it hits my stop, then that's time for me to get out.
There you go. And for everybody else, let me show you something. So right here, right, we knew this was going to be a key critical level. This is where if you had, let's say you had 10 contracts, right here we shave 5, okay? It comes back down here. Guess what? If it goes back up here and it breaks 10, guess what? If you wanted to, you could re-add 5, right? And now you're right back to where you were. Does this make sense, everybody? But the beauty is, if you collect on those 5 here, you don't lose the money from here to here, right? Off of those 5 contracts. Does this make sense?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Because that way we've guaranteed 50% of the move to the top side, only because this was a major 100. You're going to a triple digits, going to be a major level of resistance. Anyways, though, this is why I shave, everybody. Collect on these key points. That way, if it pulls back, you've guaranteed yourself the 5. Just like right here, right? Now we're in this next critical range. I could shave more, right? And then if it continues to move back up, I can always re-add. We can always add to the good side of whatever that trade is to you, whether you're in a call or a put. You can always add when it's going in your direction. You never add if it's going against you, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah. Coach,
Yep.
should I do the same strategy if I'm holding stocks on AMD?
Yes, always for everything. Yep, stocks or options. Yep.
All right.
So SPY has already given the indication. You've already got 2 minutes, right? Which was here.
Right.
So you're a go as soon as the bell rings.
Okay. Got it.
Don't have to wait. Obviously, if you wait till 10 o'clock, you're going to get, that's a nice steady line. You'll get, less chop, but if it's already at the range it's supposed to be, you can go for it. Just know that, in the first 15 minutes for sure, it's going to be.
Got it. Okay.
Yep. But for everybody else, as soon as that breaks the key critical level, which I think in this case it was 411, so this 496, I'm assuming this is correct from yesterday. As soon as that broke, we entered, and that was the ride we got right here. So
what about like if it was going the other way and there's a sell-off?
If it was going the other way and there was a sell-off, what's the question?
Well, no, I'm saying, so, you're in a green 2-minute EWO, and then the bell opens and, it's been going up all night, and then there's a bunch of sell-off in the morning. You wouldn't want to get it.
No. That's because always at the bell, you've got to be ready and paying attention to what's going to happen, right? As soon as I never recommend as soon as the bell rings, you do anything, right? Ever. If you do that, you're going to get your face ripped off on this candle or a candle that's going to look like this, right? So you need to wait a couple seconds to see what's happening in the market and what's going on. But again, if you're trading in the first 15 minutes, which is here, you're already in the most dangerous time in the entire day, right?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to get this. So if you think you're going to overtrade that, good luck, because this is what the first 15 minutes brings, right?